Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jorge from CasaRefine.com and I believe we can have a beautiful home regardless of our budget. Now in today's Home Dupes video, we're going to be focusing on dining room chairs. So the first chair, by the way, I'm looking at my computer so I can see what's going on, and that is the Holland Chair from West Elm. Now, it is $2.99, and of course, prices and stock can vary by date. Oftentimes there are sales, so you can get these even cheaper. But for this chair, you're getting solid wood, dark mineral finish, and it is sort of this woven seat material. On Amazon, for $2.79, you can get two chairs for $2.79. That is an amazing deal. Now these ones right here, that's the paper rope weave seats, and you're getting solid beech wood. Honestly, they're very similar to the other ones. I think this is like a no-brainer. The next chair is also from West Elm, and that is the modern upholstered chair. It is $559. Now for this chair, you're getting solid wood, walnut frame, and I believe it is a black velvet fabric. Now you can get a similar chair on Wayfair for $267 for two chairs. That's incredible. They're very similar. As you can see in the Wayfair chair, they are solid wood. That's amazing. And black velvet upholstery. So incredible. These chairs are really nice. I could even see these as an office chair, honestly. Now the next chair is from CB2. This chair is really nice. Cane chair is $3.99. Solid wood frame, and of course the natural cane seat and back. I really like this chair. And you can get a similar set on Amazon for $283. Now this one is a little bit different, as you can see on that back leg detail, but it's a very similar vibe. The Benicio chairs from Amazon are solid wood, I believe. I couldn't find that information, but you're also getting the natural rattan. Incredible for two chairs. This next chair is from Pottery Barn, but honestly, these are everywhere. I actually have this, and I use this as an office chair, and these are the Faith Dining Room chairs. They're basically the wishbone chairs. This specific one is a stained beechwood in black, and it has that natural brush sheet. Now, these ones from Amazon are black metal frames, so you're not getting the solid wood, and the seat is the natural paper twine. I think for $155, I think that's a really good deal. But the metal is something to keep in mind. The next chair is from West Elm. These chairs are really nice. The pedal upholstered chairs are $309 each. And in this specific one, you're getting the antique bronze metal legs, stone white linen seat, and back. You can get a similar dupe at Amazon for $180 for four chairs. That's a whole table right there. These Wasson chairs are the black metal legs. They have a linen blend upholstery. Honestly, I think these are pretty comparable. Let me know down below which one you think is nicer. This next chair is from RH. We've seen this everywhere. The beloved Ellison track chair. This one is a skirted, and of course prices can vary depending on fabric and if you get the caster option and things like that, but the base price is $592 for the member price. Members, I think they pay $100 per year. This one is the higher resiliency foam seat, hardwood frame, and of course has the caster option. This one from World Market is called the Elena linen armchair, $230, wood frame, linen fabric, and the metal casters are included. So that means you can easily push these chairs in and out with those metal legs on them. Now this next chair is from West Elm, and I feel like I've seen this everywhere, but this specific one is called the Slope Leather Chairs. Now it's $758 for the set. You're getting real leather, the nut saddle leather finish, I believe, and you're getting a charcoal metal leg. Pretty cool chairs. I feel like these are very versatile. On Amazon, you can get a set similar to this for $169. Now with the Amazon one, you are getting faux leather in a whiskey brown finish, and you're getting black metal legs. Something to think about, but overall, I think pretty good. Now this next chair, I love this chair. It's beautiful, but it's been replicated so many times. It comes from the Bauhaus era, and this specific one is called the Knoll Cesca Armless Chair. Now you're getting hardwood beech plus cane for the backing, black seat fabric, and a steel frame. I really like this detail of how it's like cantilevered. Really beautiful. On Amazon, you can find two chairs for $236. I think this is a really great deal. Now these chairs on Amazon called the Edloe Finch chairs, $236 for the set, really great deal. For the backing, you're getting elm wood plus rattan, and the seat fabric is olive velvet. Beautiful. I think that olive is a really nice color, honestly. And of course the steel frame. The next chair is from McGee Co, and we love McGee Co around here. And this one is called the Kate chair, and it's $634. Beautiful honey brown rattan chair, and has the black metal legs. I think overall this chair is just beautiful. Not 100% sure if it's safe for outdoors, but indoors, perfect. On Target, you can find a kind of similar chair. This one has a bit of a different detail for the seat, but for $120, I think that's a pretty good deal. This Linnet chair from Target is $120. You're getting the rattan slatted design, powder coated metal legs in black. Very minimal. I can definitely see this in like in a boho dining room. Another chair from McGee Co is the Emerson Chair for $645. It's a beautiful chair. It has a black stained mahogany and really simple silhouette. I feel like this is a timeless piece. We're seeing it everywhere. Kind of more farmhouse style. For $180, you can buy 2 chairs from Target. Now these chairs are a little bit more traditional in my opinion. These Hassel chairs, you get the hardwood, black, armless, very similar. I think these are really great. Now this next chair is beautiful mid-century chair that we've seen everywhere for the last probably couple of years. It's a timeless chair. The Annette chair from Crate and Barrel is $6.99, mid-century international style. It has the black finish oak frame and a natural tones for the fabric, and of course the cane backing. From Anthropology, you can find a similar chair for $398. I kind of like the Anthropology chair better myself because of the seat. It doesn't have the fabric. But you're getting reclaimed acacia wood, mortise and tenon joinery, and overall just a timeless chair. Beautiful. Not bad for $398. Now this next chair is from Lulu and Georgia. I think this Eda chair is beautiful. It's $5.99, but you're getting teak wood and sort of this mid-century inspired vibe. I feel like this can go with a lot of design styles. Now this chair from Wayfair is called the Emerson Chair. It's $290 for a set, so you're getting 2. I feel like with a lot of these cheaper ones, they're like sold in sets, and you get more for less money, which is I think is a really great deal. Now for this one, you're getting a combination of solid and manufactured wood. It comes in 3 finishes. It comes in a cocoa, which is shown here. There's a natural finish, and I believe there's a black finish as well. And this one has like more of like a wishbone inspired chair, so it's a little bit, I feel like in my opinion, more modern than the other one. If I had to choose, I think I would probably get the other one. I feel like the other one just feels a little bit more natural and smooth, and I don't know, there's something about the other one, but I still think this one is a pretty good comp. Last but not least, we're back at McGee Co, and we have the Ryne Chair. This chair is $400. We have polyester fabric and solid oak legs. I think it's a really nice chair. Can work with a lot of different styles. Kind of gives you mid-century vibes, contemporary and things like that. Now this chair from Target is called the Kingston Chair. It's $85, polyester fabric. I believe it's a plywood frame. Not 100% sure on that. I couldn't find information, but nonetheless, beautiful. And honestly, like a fraction of that price, you can buy like 3 or 4 of these chairs. Alright, so that was today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite. Also, if you have other furniture pieces or decor items that you want me to focus on, let me know. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.